using it for year 7 has very much been the saving of the time and paper. Because we're a grammar school, we do an entrance test that's actually managed partly in school but partly as a consortium group of a number of other schools. We actually use Applicaa for that as well. And then once students have passed that grammar school entrance test, they get sent to us in terms of you've got a place, and then we start doing the data collection. So that's really what we use Admissions Plus for in year 7, is gaining that large amount of data. And the fact that every year we can very easily change, add questions, remove questions that we don't think we need to include, or if we suddenly decide we want to create a new metric that we're looking at for our students, we can easily add those questions in year on year, which is fantastic. Year 12, we are just starting to improve what we did previously. We had a bespoke system that was designed in-house for that, and now we're starting to move things on to Admissions Plus. And every time we run through it, we're adding more features in. So this year we are exploring the options module to allow students to select which options they would like to pick from our option blocks, and then that will influence our timetabling. So being able to create the blocks and the subjects of our own choosing, and then have that information that we can take out for timetabling, that's been a fantastic bonus as well. Rather than sending the paper booklet out now, all of our prospective students are sent the link to the Admissions Plus page. They can fill it in at their leisure, they can come back, they can make changes and edits when they need to, as long as they can by a final deadline. Once that data is sent into school, we then have it. We have multiple people who need to look at and verify that data, but they can all do so simultaneously. And it's very, very simple just to click buttons that say, yes, this is correct, rather than having to filter and read through a lot of potentially irrelevant data for that person, because they would be looking at an entire booklet rather than just a section. And it's a lot faster just to click the button that says, yes, this is correct. We can proceed with this application.